All right, welcome back. So now that you all have Zotero set up, you'll want to connect to the group library. And this is how you're going to share your references with your group members in class and with your instructors for your assignments in class. So what you want to do is either go to your western.edu email and find the group invitation, or sometimes you'll see it in the inbox at zotero.org once you're logged in. And so there we go. So either way, you should be able to join. I'll just do it from my Western. Just click on the link, and it should pop open zotero.org and take you here. Now, you're not joined yet. You do need to hit the join button. So we'll do that. Now I'm a member of this group. Okay, and it's as easy as that to join the group. Okay, now if we go back to this group's page, you'll see ENVS 605 Fall 2018 listed. Okay, I'm going to open up the downloaded Zotero. Remember this. And the first thing I want to do is go way over here to the top corner and click this green circular arrow. This will sync what I just did online to my program, and you will see my group library has now shown up. And if I open that up, you'll see all the groups showing. So all of these folders are seen by everyone in the class. Okay. Up here, my library is a private library, so you can set up folders in here too, and no one else is going to see these things. I actually like to use the private library to gather references and make sure that they're correct, and maybe kind of investigate a little bit. And then when I decide which ones I want to share, you can just drag them over to the group that they belong to in the group library. So to add a folder here, you can just click on this little icon above. It says a new collection. In Zotero, they call folders collections. I'll just do that, and you can just name it. I'll name it 605. All right, so this is going to be my little default folder where I'm going to place things as I'm sort of doing my research and trying to decide what I'm going to put in the group folder. All right, and you can do several of these. Whoops, there we go. You can see there they are. So the idea with Zotero is that when you add something to your library, it will always live in this big My Library area, but you can drag it to one or more folders and it will live in all of those areas. So it doesn't just live in one place. All right, well that's all there is to getting the group library set up and getting your folders, private folders set up. Just remember that sync button. You can see it's doing it right now. It does occasionally kind of do an automatic sync, but if you ever want to just make sure before you leave that everything has synced with the online library, you just go ahead and hit that sync button and make sure that everything has synced up. And then you're ready to go. All right, that's all there is for that one. So go ahead and join the next video, which is how to add items to my Zotero library. Thanks.